Hello from me, Lazar Christov. Welcome to the next lesson in the course on Introduction to Lazarus IDE. We are currently working on my second book, Introduction to Lazarus IDE, Part 2, and we are looking at the first section, with the free chapters. We have reached the 5th chapter. And its first point. Let's open the PDF file. Last time we started by looking at conditional constructs. Saying that they allow you to execute different blocks of code depending on conditions. And then we looked at the if-then-else construct. Now we're going to look at the next one, the case of construct. The case of construct is an alternative to the if-then-else construct. In cases where we check values of one variable against different constants or values. This construct is useful when there are many possible values and we need to perform different actions depending on them. Here's a typical example with code. You see here when you press the key we have 4 options. This is how you write key of. In case 1, if the A key is pressed, in both cases, small and large. Shows message, key A was pressed. In option 2, key B was pressed. In option 3, with 1, number 1 was pressed. In option 4, with 2, number 2 was pressed. Now there are few here and you can't see them, but here, for example, you could also include the entire alphabet. That's an awful lot of options and there's no way. Can you imagine with if-then-else if we had to do them with so many conditions for the entire alphabet and for all the numbers? And if none of the conditions are met, we are shown a message, another key was pressed. The advantages of case of are more efficient than if-then-else for multiple values of a single variable. And the code is more readable and tidy. Disadvantages: only works with integers, countable types and characters. It cannot be used with float or string, with some exceptions of given extensions, and does not allow in complex logical expressions of the greater than type, e.g. x greater than 10, comma, or greater than and equal to, x greater than or equal to 10. That's it for this lesson. In the next one, we'll compare the two functions. That's all from me. Best regards.